Uh-oh.
Patties are hot.
Flaky. Okay, I see flake. I see flake. We put up the top 3 in the city right now that everybody was voting for, right? You in last place, Hammonds.
It's the original.
Oh, Hammonds is the last place. Let me tell you about Hammonds, guys. Hammonds used to be my spot from back in the days. Cause back in the day, Hammonds was the spot. Right there is Golden Crust. Patty they bought everywhere.
Patties are hot.
Flaky. Okay, I see flake. I see flake. I see flake. Okay. I see flake. What did you get? Beef, right?
It's all the way at the bottom.
It's all right at the bottom. Lift it up. Hammonds might have the most meat. Wife.
I say a 10.
A 10? Buckside.
Well, at least a 9 point.
No, some of that.
A 9.4.
9.4. I did not see this coming, people. We have an upset. I was putting the Hammonds at the back.
Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom.